basic info. Model number, 7 Plus. Status, upcoming. Release date, launch in 2018. Colors, gloss black, matte white. Body metal body. Water and dust proof, no. SIM type, hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Technology, GSM, CDMA, HSBA, EVDO, LTE. OS, Android 8.0, or O. Processor, octa-core 2.2 GHz Cortex-A53. Chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. GPU, Adreno 508. Memory, RAM, 4 GB, 6 GB. Storage, 64 GB. Card slot, micro SD, up to 256 GB, uses SIM2 slot. Display size, 5.5 inches. Type, IPS LCD. Resolution, 1920 x 1080 pixel. PPI, 424 pixel density. Multi-touch, yes. Protection, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Camera. Primary, 16 megapixel. Video, yes, 2160p at 30 fps. Flash, dual LED flash. Features, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama. Secondary, 8 megapixel. Battery, Li-ion battery. Capacity, 3300 mAh. Removable, non-removable. Browsing, HTML5. Fast charging, yes, fast battery charging, 18W, 9V/2A. Wireless charger, no. Network. 2G network, GSM, SIM1 and SIM2. CDMA 800T, SIGMA 3G network, HSDPA. CDMA 2001 ZEV2. 4G network. Speed, HS PAR 42.2/5.76 bits per second. Day, 2Ca, Cat6 300/15 bits per second. GPS, yes. EDGE, yes. Connectivity. Wallen, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac. Dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth, 5.0, A2DP, LA. USB, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. GPS, yes, with a GPS, GLONASS, BDS. NFC, yes. Audio jack, 3.5mm audio jack, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic. Others. Sensors, fingerprint, rear mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Radio, FM radio.